you're experiencing a server timeout error in Red Dead Redemption 2, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the timeout error. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking Red Dead Redemption 2. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall/antivirus to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue and get back to playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Good luck!